Hello people, and for this round we're just gonna lightly talk about GitHub. And what exactly is GitHub? Sometimes this is a place where we download certain files for certain software, which you can do, but mostly it's codes. Like one time I needed hotkeys for Diablo 2, like auto hotkeys, and I found a code in GitHub. Now, this is for comsci IT or coders, developers, what have you. This is one of the best places where you can start learning about how to code. Now, for example, let's look for asteroids C++. And it shows you a lot of results. And for example, I found here one that created their own version of asteroids using the codes here, made with Unity and C#. Yeah, we have all the files here where he used all the codes. There's even a license here, the images and the assets and everything. And you can even add to the files here. And here on code is where you can download all these files here in a zip file. And this is just a small sample of what we can find and learn on GitHub. Again, just leave a question down in the comments, maybe like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you again next time.